If you're shopping for a gift for a whiskey or bourbon lover, this one is actually a really interesting find. It looks more like something out of a barrel than a glass. So let's go over the charred wooden whiskey glass. I'm gonna go over what makes it different, then go over the whole gift set it comes with, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. All right, so let me show you what you get in the box here. A thank you note, some ribbon, then we have the stainless steel ice balls, then we have some tongs, nice little silicone pad on both the parts of the tongs, and of course the actual cup. And the build quality on this is really solid. You can see the wood grain right here. It's really nice texture. And then if you tilt it and look inside, you can see the charred black interior. That's the part that makes this thing what it is. Get a closer look. Okay, so the inside is actually flame charred. Same idea as a bourbon barrel. And the charcoal inner wall craftsmanship is in solid jujube wood, and it adds a smoky aroma to whatever you pour it in. So you get those caramel and vanilla barrel notes coming through your nose with every sip, and it's a more elevated drinking experience than a regular glass. Okay, the other thing worth noting, jujube is a red-toned hardwood, and it's got its own subtle aroma on top of the char. So between the wood and the char, your whiskey actually smells different in this cup than it does in a regular, rocks glass. Another great feature, and this is something I like about wooden cups in general, solid wood construction, no glass. So if you drop it, it doesn't matter, it's not gonna shatter. So you can take it out by the pool, around the fire pit, on the deck, anywhere, you wouldn't trust a real rocks glass. So if you're someone who enjoys a drink outside, you just don't wanna deal with sweeping up broken glass, this is a really nice alternative. And here's one other feature that is unexpected. So wood absorbs minor condensation, so you don't get a wet ring on your table. So you don't need a coaster, which is really nice if you're putting this down on a wood desk or a leather chair arm. So a nice little bonus here. And then the stainless steel balls, so you just throw these in the freezer for a few hours, and then these are ready to go. And then use the included tongs to drop them into your drink. Really easy. And these are gonna keep your whiskey cold without diluting it. Of course, no one likes watered down bourbon. This is a much better setup than regular ice cubes. And as you see, the silicone grips here, they're really easy and make them really easy to grab the silicone balls. And as you saw, the whole thing here is included in this nice little box. If you're buying this as a gift, you can put the ribbon on it and you can use that greeting card and just put that in there. So really nice touch. One important thing to note about this is hand wash only. Do not use this in your dishwasher. You rinse it with warm water and dry it. So the dishwasher heat and detergent will damage the wood. So this isn't set it and forget it glass. It's more like a, something that you just need to take a little more care of. Okay, so the pros of this thing. The charred interior actually changes how the drink smells. It won't shatter, so it works anywhere. It doesn't sweat, so you can skip the coaster. The ice balls keep it cold without watering it down. And the gift packaging is really nice, so you don't have to wrap anything yourself. One thing that could be improved, because it's wood, you'll need to recondition it after a month of regular use. Like if you're using it 2 or 3 times a week, it's not a huge deal, just a little oil or wood conditioner, but it's something to plan for. And of course, hand wash only, just keep that in mind as well. So who is this for? So really anyone who's shopping for a whiskey or bourbon lover and wants something a little different, this works really well for dads, husbands, brothers, groomsmen, anyone who already has the standard rocks glass and would appreciate something unique. It's also a great fit for someone who likes to drink outside, by the pool, on a boat, around a fire pit, anywhere a regular glass would be a risk. If you're looking for the most premium, crystal clear, traditional rocks glass experience, that's not what this is more of a conversation piece for someone who appreciates the barrel-aged story behind their whiskey. So in my opinion, if you're shopping for a whiskey lover and you want something that feels handcrafted and a little more thoughtful than a standard glass, this is definitely a gift set worth picking up.